In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a Figma design into Android Studio so you can turn your UI designs into real Android app layouts. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the screen or component you want to use in Android Studio. Select the frame, screen, or component you want to convert. Make sure everything is organized properly before exporting. Next, open the Actions menu in Figma and search for a plugin such as Figma to Code. If it's not installed yet, install it and launch the plugin. With your design selected, use the plugin to generate code from your Figma layout. Depending on the plugin, you may have options for Android XML, Jetpack Compose, or other code formats. Choose the format that best matches your Android project and generate the code. Copy the generated code and open your project in Android Studio. If you're using XML layouts, paste the generated XML into the appropriate layout file inside the res layout folder. If you're using Jetpack Compose, paste the generated Compose code into your Kotlin file and adjust it as needed. After importing the layout, review the design carefully. You may need to fine-tune spacing, fonts, colors, images, and constraints to match your original Figma design perfectly. Run your Android application in the emulator or on a physical device to test the layout and make any necessary adjustments. Remember that generated code is a starting point. Most projects require some manual optimization and cleanup before production use. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Figma design into Android Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.